Hello, this is the video demonstration for design 2 for the demonstration patches for the project Chemical Spectral Analysis through Sonification, the parameter mapping design. So this design is primarily based off of first, this section here is taken straight out of design 1, which again takes the peak data from the sends here that are used for the initial user test. So it sends the peak data from one of these 5 examples, the chemical shift here, the intensity here, maps it to the pitch and the outputted velocity, the pitch and the overall volume coming out here, sums it, then uses this to create an FFT here, giving us the spectrum in this array here. Okay, the FFE object here is taken from the PD example documentation e01.spectrum.pd, and it is just very simple. Uses the real Fourier transform object, and it writes a very simple FFT. It's very useful, so just use that, and that gives us an array here that has our NMR spectrum in it. So very easy to create that, and then here is how we play it with the parameter mapping. So this is just a metro. The metro releases a bang every time, every 50 milliseconds. In this case, this number here can be changed to make it either a longer or shorter delay. And then here we have essentially a counter. So every time it's banged, it will release the number here, add 1 to it, and put it back in. And then we can reset the counter by with this button here. And then that number there is used just to read a data point in this array, the NMR spectrum, which is mapped to the pitch of the oscillator. So the resulting sound is as each peak goes up, so does the pitch of the oscillator. And yeah, let's have a look. This is again ethanol to start with. Let's have a look to see how that sounds. So we play through, and we'll get, that was these 2 peaks, and then as it comes up we'll get this peak here, and then 4 peaks coming now. Cool. So yeah, as you can hear, played at that speed, you get a really nice overview. It comes particularly well on this triplet here, where you get the 1, 2, 3, to get an idea of how the spectrum looks. So if I swap this out for another NMR, we have to click here to change what's in this array here. We start this again. So now in this one we should get it around here. So we can hear that big swerve here with this curve as that comes in. Okay, so yeah, that's that patch. Thank you very much.